The thing is with tulips and other bulbs, but particularly tulips, one of the problems you can face is if the squirrels find out they're there. And what's particularly annoying is they don't eat the whole bulb. All they do is dig it up, they'll eat about the top third, and then they'll just chuck it away and dig up another one. And I found one of the best ways of actually combating that. Sometimes if they're in pots, you can actually put over some wire mesh to stop them getting in, but it needs to be quite small mesh, otherwise they'll reach through. If you're planting them out in the garden, one of the things that you can do, and this works really, really well, is once you've planted them, if you get an old cheese grater and some fragrant soap, and you actually grate soap over the area where the bulbs have been planted, and because of the smell of the soap, and bear in mind that wild animals rely very, very heavily on their sense of smell, it tends to put them off and they'll leave them alone. The other thing to remember is that that fragrance only lasts for about 2 weeks, so you need to keep topping it up until as soon as the bulbs have started to poke through, the squirrels have got no interest in them whatsoever. But don't overdo the soap, otherwise every time it rains you get this big foamy patch on the garden. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.